Hello, welcome to the video. In this video we will be discussing something we already talked about, and I said we will come to it, and this one, the marker thing. Okay, so hopefully you will understand how these markers are used. So you can pause and read this on this question. Now these are the things from the marking scheme. Let us just pick it here and we go with it above there. Right? These are the things. Now what we have to do, we have to understand is first a solution of H9 antibody added. Okay. Given time for binding. So we have our source. We have a sample taken from the source. Okay. Now it must be having these strep chromosomes. Okay. Now H91 is added to this. We add first this antibody. Okay, which add H91. Okay, we add this. Then we leave it. We leave it to bind. Okay. Then after having left to bind, we wash this. We actually take this and go and wash it. Now this washing part is very important because it removes all the unbinded H91. Only the one which have already bind with the protein receptors in the T pallidum will remain. Okay. So remember, you have to wash in this diagnosis process. So after washing, then we can have our microscope. Okay, we can have our microscope. We can check with our microscope, and you can use UV light to shine the. You can use the UV light to shine the fluorescent markers. Okay, so then we can take a sample, for example 1 centimeter square, and in that 1 centimeter square we can calculate the number of yellow spots we find, and the number of yellow spots it means the number of T pallidum present. Okay, it's a very common thing. We can just imagine it. That's what doctors do. They take microscope. They check your sample. Okay. Now they don't check all the sample and then tell you what is your situation. They just take 1 centimeter square as a sample, and then they assume that all this blood sample depends on this 1 centimeter square. Hope that answers the question, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening.